Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to play Garry's Mod on your Steam Deck. Getting started is quite straightforward. First, make sure Garry's Mod is installed through your Steam library. Then, navigate to the game's properties and enable Steam Play compatibility, selecting a recent and stable Proton version, like Proton Experimental. This ensures the game runs smoothly on the Linux-based operating system of your Steam Deck, setting the foundation for hours of fun. Once Garry's Mod is running, optimizing performance is key for a great experience. Head into the game's video settings. I recommend setting the resolution to 1280 by 800 pixels, which is the native resolution of the Steam Deck screen. Also, consider disabling demanding visual effects such as shadows and anti-aliasing. Limiting your frame rate to 40 or 60 frames per second can provide a more stable and enjoyable gameplay experience, preventing sudden drops. Next up, let's talk about controls. The Steam Deck offers incredible customization through Steam Input. You can map keyboard and mouse actions directly to the deck's buttons, joysticks, and trackpads. I suggest using the right trackpad for mouse movement and the left for a radial menu of common commands. Don't forget the 4 back paddles, which are perfect for quick actions like jumping or reloading. Experiment with community layouts to find a setup that feels just right for you. Finally, let's cover the Garry's Mod Workshop and some troubleshooting tips. You can easily subscribe to thousands of add-ons directly from the Steam Deck's browser or desktop mode, enhancing your gameplay. If you encounter issues like crashes or freezes, a good first step is to verify the integrity of your game files through Steam. This process checks for and replaces any corrupted data. Sometimes, a simple restart of your Steam Deck can also resolve minor software glitches, getting you back into the action quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.